Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's take a look and see who this is from. It is a very big bag. Get it out of there. Oh my goodness. So we have cross stitch. Surprise! Oh, goodness. You see. All right. Hang on. Cut it open. Get rid of that bag. Oh, my goodness. All right. So, we have 4 kits. And this is from VIPCrossStitch. So this will be part 1. Part 2 will be next Friday. So let's organize here just a second. All right. So we'll start with the one that's on top. And the first one is a 60 by 40, and it was $11.57. The other one out of the way. And guess what? We have the ringable threads. I don't know what else to call them. I just made that up. Could you tell? Yeah. So let's take a look at this pattern. I will put a picture, a better picture, right here. And that way you can see it. Look at those pansies. So there was 4 in this series. I got all 4. Yeah, I just absolutely love them. So it does have the product number up here. And whoops, it's on the other side. Surprise! And it's a 60 by 40, 232 by 148. It has 44 colors, guys. 44. Gorgeous, lip-smacking, drooling colors. Let me get rid of my scissors before I stab myself. Okay, so it comes like on a long and skinny, you know, paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. It does have how to begin, how to end. This one's kind of small. I'm looking. There are some blotches right there, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. We'll take a look at the canvas and make sure everything's good. But otherwise, very easy to see, very easy to read. We have the 154 mulberry. We have 310 black, of course. 550 purple. 666 red. 823, no 939, no 3371. We have the 3770, which is that butter color, and no 3865. But 44 colors, guys. So you know there's going to be a little confetti here and there. Excuse me. My throat is dry for some reason, but I just absolutely love this. And it's just, it's stunning. I love it. Sorry, really needed a drink. So let's take a look at what else came in this. But I'm glad it's a nice big paper pattern. We have a toolkit. We have the bird again. We have 5 needles, poop-ball thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Let's look at the colors. It does have a sticker with how big it is, 60 by 40, and the product number. But you can see the gorgeous purples. Yeah, I mean, it's like a rainbow here. Let me see if I can get them out. Hold that thought. I can see I'm going to be ringing up some colors. Okay, let me get rid of that. See if I can just grab it. There we go. Hang on, let's see if I can shake it. That didn't go so well the last time, but we're just going to give it a shot. Look at those stunning array of colors. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at the deep reds. Just, oh, can you ever? And the purples and all the greens. We have golds. We have blues, every color of the rainbow. Just gorgeous. Ugh. Yeah, it makes me want to start all of them right now. Okay, let me put my thread up here. That's a fair wad of thread if anybody happens to ask you. It's pretty thick. We'll lay that down there. Let's take a gander at the canvas. Okay, before I begin, product number is up here. And at the bottom, how big it is and how many squares per square. It is serged all the way around, and the stitching does not go into the numbers, but very easy to see symbols, very easy to read. Just gorgeous. And I also have a 10% off discount from this store. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, go right ahead. Let's take a look and see how big it is. I don't see any smears or blotches, you know, from the paper being wet or anything. So that's a good thing. But this has nice big areas before I measure this. You know what I mean? Bigger areas, and it does have some confetti, just kind of bing, 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 here and there. So, yeah, kind of nice. So it's not as confettied as I was giving it credit for. So 59.5 centimeters, or 23.5 inches approximately. This way it is 15.5 inches, or 39 centimeters. Actual picture size is approximately 13.25 inches, or 33.5 centimeters. This way it is 53.5 centimeters, or 21 inches. So it's not too wide, not too big. You won't get tired of a color. You could do, you know, a fair, you know, piece and edge of, or not edge, but a bit of color, you know, and then go on to another. So it flows really nicely from what I'm seeing. It doesn't look like one that every fourth stitch, you know, is a different color. And then there's only two. Yeah, no, I've been down that road. No, but this is very, very nice. I love it. Very well worth the $11. All right, so we have another in this series. And, of course, you know my other favorite flowers. I don't have any favorites. I just like flowers, period. I think they're interesting within themselves. But, yeah, I kind of side on the peonies, the lilacs, the pansies. Yeah. I do like roses, too. But I think all the others are, you know, their colors and how they're all there. You'll see what I mean. Like, all the different color shades within each one. I think it's gorgeous. So, as you can see, peonies strike again. We have peonies. Oh, I love poppies, too. But I don't just love red poppies. I like all colors of flowers. So, yeah. So, this is set up the same. Product number here. How big it is. How many squares. Squares per square. It's 232 by 148 with 40 colors as well. Does have how to begin, how to end. I'm not seeing any smudging. Yep, no problem. Now this one's going to be, well, I don't know. This is kind of deceiving. It looks like it's all confettied, but we'll see. See what colors we have. We have no 310 black. We have 550 purple, 666 red, no 8, oh, we have 823, and 939. No 3371, which is the dark brown. And no 3770, which is that butter color. But we do have 3865 in this one. So it must have needed some more white. Very nice indeed. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Loving these. And this was $11.57 as well. Also comes with a bird toolkit, 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. We'll just set that aside. And paper pattern will match the canvas and the thread packs as well, just like the last one. But we have a whole nother set of colors, shall I say. This one's more on the pink side, that where the other one had more purples and reds. Let me get rid of that. Oh, yes. Bobbinating time. Just a few. And I found out if you're going to use these shower hooks, I put them in order, and then I put them on the hook, and then I come back and I cut this top little part, and you got to be careful because some of them are handwritten, but cut that top part off and it fits right in that groove of that one. Now, I have not had one of these kits where there's like 50, 70 colors, or nothing's never ever that big, but you know what I mean? They all seem to fit there in the thing, but it makes them easier to move around on the ring if you cut that top lip off of these. So just a little hint, little information. Okay, let me see if I can do my thing here so you can see all these beautiful, gorgeous colors. We have pinks. We have, I don't know what that color is. It's kind of a pale fuchsia, if you will. But just stunning, stunning colors. Nice, soft, beautiful, beautiful threads. There's your 939 right there, I think. Like reds and pinks and purples in this one. You got some golds. And some turquoise, if you will. But just lovely, lovely colors. Just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And yummy. We like those yummy colors. Okay, that is another wad of thread. Let me put that right up there so nothing falls off. Okay, let's look at the canvas. It should be the same. Product number up here. How big it is and how many squares per squares at the other one. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Now this has more confetti in it than the last one. But very easy to read symbols. Nice and clear. And 40 colors. Wow. They really outdid themselves. Just awesome. Now this is the one company that does not put, like, let me fold it again, coming through. Like in this big area, it does not put the number right here. So I think it's a little bit easier to see what you're doing without all the distraction of the numbers everywhere. So, yeah. But as you can see, it's a little more confetti than the other one. But very nicely done. I don't know that I have to measure this. This is the same thing. But we'll do it. Okay. 23 1/4 or 39 centimeters by 39. Did I say? Wait a minute. I'll go back. 39 centimeters here, or 15 1/2. So they're the same size. 58 1/2 centimeters, closer to 59. That's what I said. So very nicely done. I love both these kits. Not a clue which one I would start first. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yummy. Now, like I said, I have a 10% off discount code. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They only have sewing products. I don't know how to say that. Like, they have cross stitch and embroidery. They do not have diamond painting, or I don't think they have paint by number. And they do have punch needle stuff, so do check them out. They also have free shipping on orders over $50. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these 2 lovely kits this week and for next week. So join me next Friday for part 2 of this review, and we'll see what came in there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.